So yeah, this is the finished product I've had from London Bespoke Carpentry. I was after a unique wardrobe, which also has got some lighting facilities, and that's where I've come in and I've installed these lights with my company. I'm an electrician, and yeah, the woodwork is absolutely great. That's how I wanted it. But one thing I did require was some lighting when you open the wardrobes. So just to give you an example, these are all short sensor controlled lights. So when you open them, a sensor on the top will detect that it's been opened, and you've got lights open over here in this wardrobe. And I've got the same with the other. Again, it's controlled by the sensor. So as soon as you open it, it picks up on the sensor at the top, and you've got your lighting there. Similarly, you've got the last one over here, again, which is controlled and activated by the door. So yeah, this is just simply operated by the doors. There's also a different set of lights which you've got at the plinth over here, which works in conjunction with the desk lights over here, which again, this is controlled by a light switch which I've got on the wall over here, and they all will just work together. You can control the brightness of these lights or how long they're on a timer as well, and the system is Lutron. It's also app controlled, so you can actually do it from your phone if you wish, or even voice activated, so you could actually turn them on and off just by speaking with Alexa. So yeah, so this is the actual exactly how I wanted it, and I'm really happy with it, with the end result.